5 ways to earn money easy. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to earn money. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to make some extra cash, these tips and tricks will be perfect for you. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss this. Shot 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn some extra cash while doing something you love. Here are a few ways to turn your hobbies into money-making opportunities. First, if you're a photographer, you can start selling your photos to websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. These sites are always looking for fresh content to sell. Second, if you're a writer, you can start writing articles or blog posts for businesses. They're always looking for high-quality content to attract more customers. Finally, if you're good at graphic design, you can start designing logos, social media posts, or even websites for clients. Visual. Show examples of freelancing work being done. Shot 2. Online surveys. Online surveys can be a great way to earn a few extra dollars in your free time. There are lots of websites out there that will pay you to complete surveys, such as Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. The surveys usually take around 10-20 minutes to complete, and you can earn anywhere from $1 to $5 per survey. This may not sound like much, but if you complete several surveys a week, it can add up quickly. Visual. Show a person taking an online survey on their computer. Shot 3. Selling online. If you have items lying around your house that you don't need anymore, you can start selling them online. You can use websites like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace to sell your items. Take some great pictures and write a catchy description to attract buyers. You can sell anything from clothes to books, toys to electronics. Visual. Show a person taking pictures of their item and posting it online. Shot 4. Walking dogs. If you love dogs, why not get paid to walk them? You can sign up for a dog walking service like Rover or Wag, or you can start your own dog walking business. You'll get paid to exercise and spend time with some adorable pups. Visual. Show a person walking dogs and having a great time. Shot 5. Driving for ride-sharing apps. If you have a car, you can earn money by driving for ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft. You can choose your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. This is a great way to earn some extra cash on the weekends or in your free time. Visual. Show a person picking.